Hello everyone. In previous session, we have seen the classification of organic compound. Okay, so organic compound classified in acyclic and cyclic, and cyclic compounds are further divided into homocyclic and heterocyclic. Okay, and homocyclic is divided into alicyclic and aromatic. Also heterocyclic divided into heterocyclic aromatic and heterocyclic non-aromatic. Aromatic is divided into benzenoid and non-benzenoid. Okay, these are the example we have already seen. This is a cyclic compound, also called open chain and aliphatic compound. Okay, this is the alicyclic compound. Aromatic compounds are those compounds which follows the Huckel rule. I have told you about Huckel rule. Huckel rule is 4n plus 2 pi electron. Okay, the compound containing 4n plus 2 pi electron are called aromatic compounds. Okay, and aromatic compounds are planar, conjugated, and following Huckel rule. Okay, these are the example of heterocyclic aromatic compound, heterocyclic non-aromatic compound. Okay, I have told you to do this. Observe the compound, identify the compound, those contain a ring of carbon atoms only. Okay, and identify the compounds in which ring contains at least one atom other than carbon. Okay, those rings are called heterocyclic compounds. Okay, now we will see classification based on functional group. So what is functional group? First of all, a part of organic molecule which undergoes change as a result of reaction is called functional group. Inspection of structure of various organic compound tells us that there are a large variety of functional group present in them. The second methods of classification of organic compound is based on the nature of functional group present. The resulting individual class is called a family named after a constituent functional group. Okay, we have seen some example of alkane, alkene and alkyne. Hydrocarbons. uh, in hydrocarbon there is no functional group present. Okay, alkene में double bond present होता है, alkyne में triple bond present होता है. That is the functionality of those compound. Okay, but if you will see the ketone is C double bond O. Okay, the carbon having bond with oxygen is called carbonyl carbon. This is carbonyl carbon. Both the side of carbonyl carbon having R group in ketone. Okay, R may be same or different. R is alkyl group. R represent the alkyl group. Alkyl group means methyl, CH3, C2H5, methyl, ethyl or propyl. Okay, methyl, ethyl, propyl. मीथेन से आया है मिथाइल. मीथेन इज CH4. Okay, CH4 methane. The first member of alkane family is methane. Okay, and methane, when methane से जब हम हाइड्रोजन रिमूव करते हैं then it will form methyl. Okay, and methyl will attach to C double bond O R. R may be different or same. Okay, methyl is CH3 group, ethyl is C2H5. Okay, so this carbonyl carbon is responsible for the properties of organic compound or properties of ketone. Functionality is depend the boiling point, melting point, and all other properties are depend on functional group. Okay, when functional group changes molecule, the structure of molecule will be changed, the property will be changed. So there are many functional group. First is halide. Halide, the structure of halide, we will represent the halide with X. X may be chlorine, okay, bromine, iodine and fluorine. These four elements are called halide, and these all elements represent with X. Okay, X. When from hydrocarbon ka example is methane. Okay, CH4, we'll take CH4 here, CH4. When we'll remove this hydrogen with X, okay, so the compound is called halogen. Okay, it is maybe methyl bromide, ethyl bromide, or see, if we replace this hydrogen with bromine, okay, Br, so it is called methyl bromide. Methyl bromide, Br से replace करने के बाद Br. So this is methyl bromide. If we'll replace this hydrogen with iodine, it is methyl iodide, methyl chloride. So this is the example of halide functionality. Okay, halide functionality. From hydrocarbons, we will remove one hydrogen, and the new functionality will form is called haloalkane. The IUPAC name of this halide is haloalkane. Okay. Second is cyanide or nitrile. Cyanide is C triple bond N. C. This is the bond which is attached to alkyl group. Okay. Alkyl group is R. This is the example. One example. Methyl group is one example of R. Okay. All hydrocarbons जब हम H को replace करते हैं, so it is called alkyl. Okay, alkane to alkyl. See, alkane will form alkyl. Alkane to alkyl. Remember this word, alkane to alkyl. Alkane, when we'll remove one hydrogen from any alkane, when we'll remove any hydrogen from any alkane, it will form alkyl. For example, methane. Okay, methane to methyl. Methane is CH4. Okay, methane is CH4 and methyl is CH3. So this is methane, alkane. Okay, and this is methyl, that is alkyl. Okay, C2. Ethane का molecular formula is C2H6. C2H6. When we'll reduce one hydrogen, it will form C2H5. C2H5. So this is ethyl, and this one is ethane. Okay, this is ethane. The general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. Okay, so this is cyanide or nitrile. C triple bond N. C triple bond N is cyanide, or you can say nitride. Okay, and carbon, the valency of carbon is 4. Always remember, the valency of carbon is 4. 3 valencies or 3 bond is already formed with nitrogen. Okay, the one valency is remaining here, which is attached to alkyl group, any alkyl group. So this is alkyl nitrile, or you can say alkyl cyanide. The third one is isocyanide. Now what is difference between cyanide and isocyanide? Okay, in cyanide or in nitrile, the carbon is attached to alkyl group. See, the carbon is attached to alkyl group. But in isocyanide, the nitrogen will form a bond with alkyl group. Here you can see the nitrogen will form a bond with any alkyl group. So nitrogen carries positive charge here and carbon will carry negative charge. See, this is nitrogen in cyanide. The nitrogen is bonded with carbon atom, and in this isocyanide, the nitrogen will form bond with alkyl group. Okay. So halide, cyanide and isocyanide. Fourth one is nitro compounds or nitro groups. So in nitro compounds, the functional group is NO2. NO2, nitroalkane. Nitroalkane. NO2 का structure is N double bond O, N double bond O, O minus. Nitrogen will carry positive charge, plus charge, and oxygen will carry negative charge. Okay, NO2. And one valency of nitrogen is remaining here, so it will attach with alkyl group. The another functionality is alcohol. Alcohol is hydroxy group. When hydroxy group, that is OH, is attached to any alkyl group, the functionality is called alcohol. The example is here methyl alcohol. See, CH3OH. CH3 methyl alcohol is common name. Okay, and methanol is IUPAC name. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, C2H5. C2H5 is ethyl. Okay, C2H5 is ethyl here, so it is ethyl alcohol. OH. Propyl alcohol. Propyl is C3 carbon. Propyl containing 3 carbon atom. We will replace this hydrogen with hydroxy group. Okay, any hydrogen on any carbon atom. CH3, CH3 and CH. CH3, CH, CH3. Second carbon. On second carbon there is a hydroxy group. The functionality is called alcohol. So this is propanol. 2-propanol or propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol. 2 is the position of hydroxy group present on the second carbon. Okay, 2 is the position. Or propyl alcohol. It is also called as propyl alcohol. Yes. Now phenol. Phenol is also containing hydroxy group, but in this hydroxy group is attached to a benzene ring. Phenol is aromatic compound. I have already told you phenol is aromatic compound. Okay. This is ring, benzene ring, and one of the hydrogen of benzene ring is replaced by a hydroxy group. See, this is OH. When one hydrogen is replaced with OH, the compound is called phenol. Okay. On any carbon, this hydrogen remains as it is. Okay. C6H6 is the molecular formula for benzene. Okay. This hydrogen is replaced with hydroxy group. Another functionality is amines. Amine is classified as primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. Okay. So in primary amine, the functionality, the amine group is present is NH2, methylamine, ethylamine. Okay. In secondary amine, the group is present is NH, and 2 different alkyl or 2 same alkyl group are present here. See. Only one alkyl group and 2 hydrogen is primary amine. When 2 alkyl group and 1 hydrogen is attached to a nitrogen, the amine is called secondary amine. Tertiary amine is no hydrogen present, okay, 0. And all 3 are alkyl group. When nitrogen is attached to, all the bonds of nitrogen is attached to alkyl group, the amine is called tertiary amine. Okay. Another functionality is ether. Ether is when oxygen is bonded with 2 alkyl group, aromatic ring or alkyl ring. any ring. Okay, the two aromatic ring or the two alkyl group when separated by oxygen atom, it is called ether. Okay, it is separated by only oxygen. Okay, and aldehyde is C double bond O, carbonyl carbon. It is carbonyl carbon, and on right hand side or on terminal side the hydrogen is present. Okay, see 1 2 3, the valency of carbon is 4, 3 bond is already formed here. Okay, the valency remaining is 1, only one valency is remaining, so you can continue the chain from this side. This is group R. Okay, so aldehydic group or the functionality is called aldehyde. The aldehyde functionality is COH. So you will write COH. COH is nothing but aldehyde. Okay, you can write like this, or in structure you have to form the bond and element like this. Okay, the ketone is C double bond O. C double bond O is carbonyl carbon. This is ketone. So ketone का functionality is C double bond O. On right or and left there are aromatic ring, maybe aromatic ketones में aromatic ring हो सकते हैं. Okay, and aliphatic और acyclic ketones में R group present होगा, alkyl group, R group. This is ketone. Carboxylic acid. Now carboxylic acid is, see, carboxylic acid is COOH. Remove this hydrogen from aldehyde and add OH. In aldehyde there is a hydrogen only. Okay, in carboxylic acid this hydroxy group is present. COOH is the carboxylic acid. In ester, C double bond O and oxygen. This is ester. So halide, cyanide, isocyanide, nitro compounds, alcohol, phenol, primary amines और amines इसको ले सकते हैं आप. ether, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, ester. Amide is when NH2 is attached to C double bond O is called amide. Like amines, there is secondary amine, tertiary amine, acid anhydride, acyl chloride, sulfonic acid, alkene, alkyne and alkane. Alkane में कोई functionality नहीं होती. Yes, alkene containing triple bond, alkyne is containing triple bond and alkene having double bond. Now next is homologous series. What is homologous series? A family of functional group in turn comprises different homologous series, a series of compound of the same family in which each member has the same type of carbon skeleton and functional group and differs from the next member by constant difference of one methylene group is in its molecular and structural formula. It's called homologous series. See, you have already seen the homologous series of alkane. In alkane, first member is methane. Okay, first member is methane, that is CH4. Next member is CH3, CH3. Okay, methane, ethane, propane. In propane, we will add only CH2 group. The difference of ethane and propane is CH2. The group that is the CH2 group is called methylene. The CH2 group is called methylene. Okay. So all the members of homologous series is differ by only CH2, one CH2 group. Okay. All functionalities are same. If ketone, अगर हम ketone का homologous series देखते हैं तो the CH2 will differ. Okay. All the functionalities or functional group will same in same family or same homologous series. Okay, this is methane, ethane, propane, then butane. Butane is CH2. One methylene group is increasing on increasing carbon number of carbon atom. Okay, CH2 and CH3. This is butane. Next point is an individual member of homologous series is called homologue. All the members or homologue of such series are represented by the same general formula. The general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. The member of particular homologous series possess similar chemical properties. Those vary gradually in their physical properties, namely melting point, boiling point, density, solubility. Okay, these all are properties. Chemical properties बहुत ही similar होती है. Physical properties में difference होगा. Chemical reaction mostly जो होती है similar होती है, क्योंकि chemical reaction depends on functional group. Functional group will change, the properties will change. Okay. Yes, this is the homologous series of aldehyde. See, aldehyde, the functionality of aldehyde is C double bond O, C double bond O, carbonyl carbon and hydrogen H. This is aldehyde. Okay. And this bond is remaining here. So if you will add only hydrogen, no any alkyl group, so the first member or the first aldehyde is called formaldehyde. Number of carbon atom, N is equals to number of carbon atom, that is 1. Only aldehydic or carbonyl carbon is present, and the molecular formula is CH2, C only 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Okay, this is formaldehyde. And the condensed structural formula, this is the structural formula. The boiling point is given. Then second is acetaldehyde. In acetaldehyde, we are taking number of carbon atom 2. Okay, so 1 carbon having aldehydic functionality, C double bond O, H, and we are attaching 1 carbon here. We are joining 1 carbon. So the remaining valency on this carbon is 3. So we are adding hydrogen. Okay, H, H and H. So this is CH3COH. CH3COH. So molecular formula for this is C2. C2, number of carbon atoms 2. H4, 1, 2, 3, 4. H4 and O. Oxygen is 1. Okay. C2H41. The structure is like this. CH3, C double bond OH. This is acetaldehyde, or the IUPAC name is methanol. Methanol. Methanol is Al से आप Al suffix add करेंगे. Methanol. Okay. Another one is propanaldehyde. In propanaldehyde, the number of carbon atom is 3. Okay, C3H6O. The structure is like this. I'm drawing structure here. C double bond O. C double bond O. First draw the aldehydic carbon, that is carbonyl carbon. C double bond OH. This is aldehydic functionality, common in all the members of aldehyde or homologous series. Okay. So this is C double bond OH, and number of carbon atom is 3. So draw 3 carbon atom first. C. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And now add hydrogen. On this carbon is attached to carbonyl carbon and this carbon. Okay. So on this carbon, the 2 valencies are remaining. So fulfill this valencies with hydrogen atom, CH2. This carbon is containing only 1 bond. So the remaining valencies is 3. CH3 like this. Okay, draw the structure like this. So this is called propanaldehyde or propanal. Propanal. The suffix you will add Al here. Al. Propane, alkane. Okay, alkane series में the member which is containing 3 carbon atom is called propane. Okay, when propane ka hydrogen is replaced with aldehyde, we will call it propanal. Okay, another one is butyraldehyde, and butyraldehyde is N containing N is equals to 4. The number of carbon atom is 4. So butanal, you will say butanal. And when N containing N is equals to 5, this is pentanal. The next topic is nomenclature of organic compounds. Okay. So in our next section, we will start with this topic. So that's all for today. Okay. Revise all the points first. Okay. From this slide. Classification based on functional group. Functional groups are very important functional group are very important characteristic, which all the properties, all the chemical reaction depends on this. Okay, when functional group will change, the chemical properties will change, reaction will change, and new compounds form. Okay, so that's all for today.